Okay, so what we're doing today is we're looking at the leg length, and what the leg length tells us is where the ilium are in regards to the sacrum in the middle here. So these pelvic bones can rotate back and forth with our gait or with crossing our legs or just habits that we have in our day-to-day life. So we're looking at the leg length, and what I'm seeing here is, if you could come on over and you can look at this leg length. I get in the 3-point stance here, and you can clearly see that that left leg is just a smidge shorter than the right. All right, and now when I take it up to 90 degrees, it's still a little bit short. So what that's telling me is that this ilium is rocked back and down a little bit on the left side, and then this right side is rocked up and forward, causing this leg to be a little bit longer and this one to be a little bit shorter. The issue there is the sacrum in the middle now is tilted and pitched, and the sacrum is where the rest of the spine starts to stack on top of. So every individual bone that lies on that is a little bit skewed now. So we're always worried about the base of our spine at the pelvis. We're also seeing today we have a little bit of a hypokyphosis, so a little bit of a flattened thoracic curvature. So we're going to increase a little bit of flexion in there as well, because she's been complaining about bilateral and more right-sided pain in her thoracic paraspinals and musculature over here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the mid back, just so we don't have to move around the tongue and have the patient flip a bunch. So we're going to get our mid back moving. And we've already done this a couple times, so she is already on board with our direction here. So I want you taking a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. One more. Exhale all the way out. Good. All right. And now let's have you on your side, facing me, please. So scoot towards the edge here. I'm going to straighten this bottom leg. Scoot toward me. Grab those elbows. And rock this. So we're actually contacting that sacroiliac joint here. We're going to increase that. Deep breath. Exhale all the way out. Good. And off to the window side, please. I'm going to flex this leg up over toward me. Grab those elbows nice and tight. And this, we're going to grab the ischial tuberosity. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Onto your back, face up, and we're going to take a look at your neck real quick. So do me a favor, get nice and even up the table. Good. So right now I'm just playing around, and we're using what we call joint play. We're just checking the range of motion, the passive range of motion of each individual bone in the cervical spine. And I'm looking for one that's not moving well relative to the rest of them. And that's our subluxated or our restricted joint. I've got one right here at the C4-5 interface. So we're going to increase right lateral flexion, left rotation. I want you taking a deep breath in. Exhale, wiggle your toes, and that's just a little bit of traction to gap those discs. Bring in some hydration. The discs are only hydrated and nourished when they're moved. So get some waste out, hydration in. And that's it. Okay.